Most people think AI is the same for everyone. Same apps, same chatbots, same tools, same features. But that's the illusion. Because there are actually two versions of AI happening right now. One is visible, the other is hidden, and the gap between them is getting wider every single month. Normal users see AI as a tool. They ask questions, generate content, summarize documents, maybe automate a few tasks. But wealthy individuals, high-level founders, hedge funds, and private operators are using AI in a completely different way. They are not using it to assist their decisions. They are using it to simulate reality before making decisions inside it, and that changes everything. For most people, AI is a productivity shortcut, a faster way to write, a faster way to search, a faster way to think. But for the rich, AI is becoming something else entirely. A decision intelligence system. Not a chatbot, not an assistant, not a content generator, but a predictive environment that models outcomes before they happen. This shift is not widely visible because it doesn't exist in public apps. It exists in private systems. Custom-built models, fine-tuned datasets, multi-agent simulations, proprietary pipelines connected to financial, legal, and behavioral data. And the purpose is simple. Reduce uncertainty in high-stakes decisions. Because in the world of wealth and power, small improvements in prediction can mean massive differences in outcome. The first major difference is access to custom models. Normal users interact with general-purpose AI systems, but wealthy individuals and organizations often use customized versions of AI trained on their own private data. This includes internal business data, client behavior histories, market positioning models, legal contract archives, investment performance logs. These models are not public. They are private intelligence systems trained to understand one specific entity deeply. Company, a fund, a portfolio, a personal brand. Once AI is trained on this level of detail, it stops being general intelligence. It becomes situational intelligence. It understands context that no public model can see. The second difference is simulation. While normal users ask AI questions like, "What should I do?" Wealthy users ask, "What happens if I do X, Y, or Z across 18 different scenarios?" AI is used to simulate entire decision trees. If we enter this market, what happens in 3 months? If we raise prices, how does customer behavior shift? If we acquire this company, what is the ripple effect across competitors? If we launch this product at this time, what is the probability of success? These are not guesses. They are structured probabilistic simulations built on historical data and behavioral modeling. The third difference is multi-agent AI systems. Instead of one AI model, wealthy operators often use multiple models working together. One model acts as an analyst, one acts as a critic, one acts as a strategist, one acts as a risk evaluator, one acts as a contrarian perspective generator. This creates a system that mimics internal debate. So instead of one answer, they get a synthesized decision formed through simulated disagreement. Normal users see AI as a single voice. Rich users see AI as a panel of experts. The fourth difference is timing advantage. In financial markets and business strategy, speed matters, but not just execution speed, decision speed. Wealthy users use AI systems that monitor global signals in real time, market movements, news sentiment shifts, policy changes, supply chain signals, social media sentiment waves. Then AI compresses all of that into actionable insights before most humans even register the change. By the time news becomes public, decisions have already been simulated and prepared. This creates a hidden asymmetry. Some people are reacting to reality, while others are acting before reality fully arrives. The fifth difference is behavioral modeling of people. Normal AI tools help you write or analyze. Advanced private systems model human behavior at scale. Customers, employees, investors, competitors, even regulators. These models predict how individuals or groups are likely to respond to specific actions. Not perfectly, but statistically, which means decisions are no longer made based only on economics or logic. They are made based on predicted human reactions, and that is a deeper layer of control over outcomes. The sixth difference is personalization depth. For most users, AI is generic. It doesn't truly know you. But high-level AI systems are trained on continuous personal data streams, communication patterns, decision history, risk tolerance, emotional bias indicators, past investment behavior, leadership patterns. This creates a cognitive mirror of the decision maker. So instead of asking, "What should be done?" the system asks, "What would this specific person likely decide under pressure?" That distinction changes everything, because it allows AI to anticipate the human behind the decision. Not just the market, not just the system, but the operator. The real shift. What looks like AI usage on the surface is actually something deeper. For most people, AI is a tool they interact with. For the wealthy, AI is an environment they operate inside, a predictive layer surrounding every major decision. And the difference is not just capability, it is perspective. Normal AI usage is reactive, asked to get answer to act. Advanced AI usage is generative, simulate, then predict, then evaluate, then optimize, then act. That loop changes how decisions are made at a fundamental level, because uncertainty is reduced before action begins. And when uncertainty is reduced, risk becomes manageable. And when risk becomes manageable, scale becomes easier. Why this gap is expanding? The gap is growing for three reasons. First, data access. Private data creates better models. Better models create better predictions. Better predictions create better decisions. Second, customization. General AI must serve everyone. Private AI serves one goal. That makes it sharper. Third, compounding advantage. Better decisions lead to better outcomes. Better outcomes generate more data. More data improves the system further. This creates a feedback loop that accelerates inequality in decision-making power. Not just wealth, but intelligence leverage. AI is often described as a tool that levels the playing field. But in reality, it is doing something more complex. It is amplifying the difference between how people use intelligence systems. Most people use AI to save time. Some people use AI to generate options. But a smaller group is using AI to simulate reality before it unfolds. And that creates a quiet divide, not visible in headlines. Not obvious in daily life, but present in outcomes. Because in a world where decisions are shaped by predictive systems, the advantage no longer belongs to those who know more. It belongs to those who can simulate better. And that may be the real story behind AI right now. Not that everyone has access to intelligence, but that not everyone is using it at the same depth.